an ancient city steeped in myth and history, is a mesmerizing archaeological site located in modern-day Turkey. This legendary city, renowned for its connection to the Trojan War, offers travelers a chance to explore its ruins and immerse themselves in the captivating stories that have been passed down through the ages. The ruins of Troy are a testament to the city's historical significance and the layers of civilizations that have inhabited the site. The iconic wooden horse, an emblem of the Trojan War, remains a powerful symbol that evokes the intrigue of ancient tales. The archaeological site features several layers of settlement, revealing the evolution of the city over the centuries. Visitors can explore the ruins of city walls, houses, temples, and defensive structures that shed light on daily life in ancient Troy. The Troy Archaeological Museum enhances the experience by showcasing a collection of artifacts excavated from the site. These relics, including pottery, tools, and sculptures, offer insights into the art, culture, and technology of the various civilizations that once called Troy home. Immersing oneself in the stories of Homer's Iliad and the Trojan War is a captivating experience at the site. Exploring the reconstructed wooden horse, imagining the battles that raged around the city walls, and standing in the same place where Achilles and Hector once clashed evoke a sense of connection to the epic narrative. The ancient city of Troy is located near the charming town of Çanakkale, offering a gateway to further exploration of the region. The Gallipoli Peninsula, known for its historical significance during World War I, is just a ferry ride away. The nearby ancient city of Assos showcases well-preserved ruins, including a Doric temple and an impressive acropolis. The natural beauty of the surrounding area adds to the allure of a visit to Troy. The Dardanelles Strait offers stunning views and opportunities for relaxing by the water, while nearby beaches provide a chance to unwind after exploring the historical sites. In summary, Troy is a destination where history and mythology intertwine, offering a unique opportunity to step into the world of ancient legends. Whether you're exploring the ruins, reliving the stories of the Trojan War, or connecting with the natural beauty of the region, a visit to Troy promises a journey through time that captures the essence of human imagination and the enduring power of storytelling.